Today I'm going to show you how to replace your battery in your 2017 Chevrolet Malibu. If you look at the remote here, on the left side of the remote there's a button. You're going to push this button, and when you push this button you can pull the actual key out, okay, of the remote itself. Then we're going to pull it out, and I'm going to use this key to actually separate the remote to get to the battery. Now I'm only going to insert probably this much of the key into the original hole, and I'm just going to pry it open. I'm going to show you a better view of this here in a second on how this actually works, so you don't break your remote, but it'll actually pry your remote open. Okay, if you look right here, I'm only using this much of the key because I'm doing this motion here. Here's the battery right here. All I gotta do is pry it right out of there. Okay, and I'm just using the key as a tool. And if we look, it is a CR2032. I'll leave a link in the description box for some remote batteries if you. So just take note on which way the battery faces when you put it back into the remote. Right here you have the positive. It's going to go face down back inside of this guy, and then you just take the two halves and you just push them back together when you're done. All right, and it just snaps together, easy peasy. And then put the key back in, and that's how you replace the battery in 2017 Chevy Malibu. If the video was helpful, do me a favor and hit the thumbs up button.